Paint me like one of your French girls, Jack.
Hey guys, it's your boy, Chris, coming at ya. So today we're going to be doing something a little different, although I'm pretty sure everything at this point is different considering my YouTube channel is, only a month old. So I work at a grocery store that has a bunch of knockoff brands, odd ends, and everything like that. And today we're going to try some of them. But first off, here to help me out, the man of food, the man of many taste buds. Give it up for my man, David!
Oh yeah.
Alright, so are you ready to try some of these weird foods?
Yeah, some of them I'm excited for, some of them, you know,
Yeah.
more or less.
Alright, well, let's go! We've got a lot to go through.
Yeah.
But first, we part the sea. Synergy Raw Kombucha. Trilogy Kombucha. Give me that. What is on the bottom of that? Shake that up. Enjoy by 8/3/20. Okay, we're okay.
I was gonna say, this is your store, so.
Alright. So it's carbonated.
Just, we need like a shield.
Okay. It was just the initials. This tastes like it should have something spiked in it.
It's not bad, actually.
What?
I don't know, it's kind of refreshing.
I can't.
Really?
I can't. It's just so...
What, healthy?
You can have that. Wholesome and crunchy cookie thins.
Gonna say the flavor of them.
S'mores flavor.
That. You have a piece of paper.
It's about right. No.
Exactly what I thought it was gonna be.
Exactly pretty. Now you know what these need?
Hmm.
Nutella. Stop.
Although you had Nutella.
I do have Nutella. Everything is better with Nutella. Prove me wrong.
Had you try putting it on pizza?
Get out. Cajun cheese curds.
No.
Open up, buddy.
Mm-mm.
Open up.
No. Go fuck yourself.
Pleasantly surprised, actually.
Really?
Just eat it.
I'm not eating it.
Fine. I was expecting a lot more like spice to them, but no. They're actually really good.
Yeah, forgot about that.
It's still awful.
Wasn't even gonna tell you about that.
It's still awful. I'm just trying to make sure that I say it right. Caramel stroopwafel.
I feel like we need coffee or hot chocolate with these.
These stroopwafels are among the Netherlands' most treasured treats. Terrific right from the package, stroopwafels are especially tasty when warmed with coffee or tea. There's caramel. It looks like a flat waffle. Which, I mean, I guess that's the point. You know, it might just be the caramel in them. Darn, they're good.
It's almost. It's kind of like a Milky Way texture.
What?
If you drop that, I would have been so mad.
You finish that. But here's my real question. How do you repackage it?
That is definitely not how, but it works. What the fuck is that? I don't know. There's some guy who,
Big Dipper chips. Also known as the off-brand scoop. I have never tried salsa verde, so that's one of the reasons I got it. Oh, too much?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh,
I loosened it.
that one just smells like a lot of heat, and I don't know if I'm ready for it. Going for the roasted garlic first.
I guess I'll go with this one first. Get your initial reaction on that one.
I was expecting more heat.
Let's try this one.
Well.
It definitely got a rising heat factor. I think you would like this one.
Yeah.
Because you like hot stuff, right?
I do.
You'd like that one. Well, I haven't tried that one, but it's spicy.
I'm also going to be trying the mango nectar.
Actually, I probably shouldn't have put kombucha in that one.
That's fine. You like the kombucha, you can keep the kombucha. But I just don't like how watery it is. I do like. I see what you mean by the heat factor.
This is good.
That's good.
Mango nectar.
That's so good.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Sweet, tangy, like sex.
I honestly thought it was gonna be a lot thicker.
Like sex.
Yes.
On to the next. Cookie Tins, Part 2. Chocolate chip.
That's actually a coconut chocolate chip.
Coconut chocolate chip. Sorry.
Don't like them?
I like the chocolate chip part. Coconut's kind of rubbing me the wrong way. They're good. Like another.
Absolutely. I love coconut.
I love coconut too.
Well, close enough. Rubbing me the wrong way.
Shut up!
Take that nectar.
Where have you been all my life? San Antonio, Texas. Product of Mexico. Avocados from Mexico. Boom. Port wine cheese. Boom. Artisan crackers. I think you don't want this. Research it, baby! Listen. Queso from Moe's is excellent. Fudge.
No crackers.
Ha! Come out with this.
About the size. It's got what you do with it.
Shut up. So, what I'm getting at is that after this video, I'm just gonna be fat. Besides that kombucha, everything else is delicious.
Don't open them like that.
Get in the bag. Just, okay. One of the next things we'll be trying is a chicken and cheese chimichanga. Well, it looks delicious. I hope so, because it's in the microwave. Dang. Until then, boom! Chocolate pastry crisps. I'm just going to, okay, rip the box. Yep.
There's 2 in 1. We could probably just. Oh, they're thin, like the.
Like the cookie thins?
Yeah. Oh, I cannot.
Oh, but they look good. Yep. Definitely gaining like 30 pounds. You gonna pay for that?
Chimichanga.
Boom! Chimichanga! It's a little hot, so we're gonna sit there and let it intimidate us. In the meantime, dill pickle popcorn chips. Wait. Dill pickle flavored popcorn. There we go. And just because I can already see this going bad. Agua de coco. And for those of you that don't speak, coconut water.
Pretty good.
I'm definitely getting the Malibu alcohol vibe, minus the rum, and I don't know how I feel about it.
But you have now the rum in there.
Those two together, I just imagine me just trying to open this and it goes. Aw, that's right.
I take a big old whiff of that bag.
It actually doesn't smell bad. Interesting.
Smells like popcorn and dill pickle.
It's interesting, but.
Like, I wish the popcorn had more. Like, the popcorn had more flavor versus how much flavor of dill pickle I'm getting.
I'll take the kombucha now.
Want it?
No, I'm just kidding. Don't give me that crap. My fake rum water. Okay, I think it's ready.
Please don't cut your finger.
Oh god. Smells good.
Ready?
Ha 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 ha. A little bit hot.
That's pretty good.
The guys are so hot. Cheesy, chickeny, cover girl, easy, beautiful. Oh, I need a third one, didn't I? Yeah. Oh, there's no label on the front. Dang it! There we go. Soft pretzel bites. I was always told not to eat these as a kid. Yum, right?
Yeah.
David?
Yeah.
I think they need to be baked. Heat at 350 degrees for approximately 3 minutes.
Helps if you read the directions.
Next on the agenda, butter cookies coated with milk chocolate. I thought that was all chocolate for a second. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna end up with diabetes today.
Probably.
It's gonna do that thing like, you know, like it's the tablecloth and it's like, BAM! Oh.
I thought it like coated the whole thing.
Nope, it's half cracker. Butter kicks, butter keys. Better get in my mouth. Ow. How much did I say last time? 30 pounds?
30 pounds.
Make it an even 50. It's not gonna ruin my mouth. Alright. So these aren't gonna last tonight. I'm gonna be sitting there editing this video and it's just gonna be like, chimichanga, hot! Hot! There we go. Bunday! Maria's cookies. Rangoya. Brain building activity. Ages 2 to 5. Challenge accepted. Show your child the round cookie asking what else is round. Take turns talking about whether the other round things like a plate are smaller or bigger than the cookie. What? Ain't no cookie gonna have me doing some math, trigonometry, education. I'm gonna eat it. I can't get it all bad! It's like unwrapping the worst wrapped present ever. The person that uses like 1,000 miles of tape. Got it!
Reminds me of a graham cracker.
Yeah, you know what would go good on this?
Nutella.
Take my line one more time, David. Let's see what happens.
Got some of the coconut water.
Oh, yeah, can't break that. Hot! How long can this thing be hot for? Bam! Like it literally is only a step away from rum, and I feel like I'm supposed to get like a
Like a burner or something.
like yeah. I'm sitting there waiting for him, just going.
These look delicious. I think that was probably the easiest thing you've opened so far.
No, David, because I'm about to open you. I will kill you. Without milk first?
I'd say yeah. Like a Chips Ahoy, just a different shape.
It's so dry. Much better.
Brought to you by Dunkers.
Not to be confused with Duncan. Duncan's not sponsored or anything in this video.
Still catch me alone late at night with one of those.
I want to meet the cow that made this. It wasn't a cow, it was my mother! Hi, Mom. Love you.
She's probably watching this like, I beg your pardon.
Well, guys, thanks for tuning in and checking out our shenanigans here. Everything was actually pretty good, except for, you know, some things like that nasty ass kombucha. I like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And stay tuned if you want to see some more shenanigans with Chris and David. Or just me, because, you know, who cares about him. See you next time. Bye, guys.
This has been Chris,
The Crazy Kid.
out.
Bye.